गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। हियर वी विल स्टडी अबाउट हीट इंजन। हम लोग हीट इंजन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। व्हाट इज हीट इंजन? हीट इंजन क्या होता है? हीट इंजन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। हीट इंजन इज ए डिवाइस विच टेक हीट एंड प्रोड्यूस वर्क। हीट इंजन एक डिवाइस होती है जो हीट लेती है और वर्क को प्रोड्यूस करती है। सपोज दैट दिस इज हीट इंजन। Suppose that this is heat engine and take heat, QH heat and produce work, W. Heat engine is a device which take heat and produce work. और produce heat engine एक डिवाइस होती है जो हीट लेती है और वर्क को प्रोड्यूस करती है। Here flow diagram of heat engine. Flow diagram of heat engine. This is flow diagram of heat engine like this. It is higher heat temperature. It is higher temperature, source temperature, TH. Higher temperature or source temperature. Higher temperature body or source temperature. Source temperature. Here sink temperature body or lower temperature body TL. Lower temperature body TL. Here heat supplied to from QH. Heat supplied QH from higher source temperature and heat ejected to the QL. Heat ejected to the sink or lower temperature body and work is produced. हीट इंजन एक डिवाइस होती है जो हायर सोर्स से या सोर्स टेम्परेचर से हीट लेती है और हीट एंड वर्क प्रोड्यूस करती है और सम हीट रिजेक्ट करती है, कुछ हीट रिजेक्ट करती है। एंड it is a process, cyclic process. It's used on the operating on a cycle. Heat engine is a device which take heat and produce work. और heat engine is a cycle पर वर्क करती है। Heat engine work on the cycle पर वर्क करता है। और heat engine efficiency. What is efficiency? Efficiency of heat engine, the ratio of output to the input. Basic formula we know efficiency eta is equal to of heat engine efficiency of heat engine eta is equal to work produced, or simple first way you can write work produced output upon input. First we will write basic formula output upon input. It is basic formula or efficiency. Anywhere you will obtain efficiency, that is output upon input. Here output work done, work produced, work done, output work produced, and input here heat supplied QH heat supplied QH. And from first law of thermodynamics, net work equal to net heat is at a system, on a system or by the system, net work equal to net heat. First law of thermodynamics you will write here. First law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. Net work equal to net heat on the system. W net equal to Q net on the system or by the system. Here Q via this Q work is a producing device. W positive work here, and the system heat supplied to the system QH, that is positive, and heat rejected from the system, that is negative, QL negative. Here put here in the efficiency W replaced to the QH minus QL. Hence efficiency equal to W output upon input, work upon heat supplied. Heat means here you will write here QH minus QL, and upon you will get QH, and then after you will solve, you will get here efficiency of the 1 minus QL upon QH. QL minus QH. This efficiency of the heat engine, you can write here QH 1 minus QL upon QL. QH. What is QL? Heat rejected to the sink. Or surrounding. You can write sink or surrounding. You can write one. Sorry. Higher temperature body or source temperature. Source temperature here, surrounding. In surrounding. Heating temperature. Source sink temperature body or surrounding temperature. And here QH heat supplied from the higher temperature body. से जो हीट हम लेता है हीट इंजन, उसको QH बोल दिया, और जो हीट रिजेक्ट करता है उसको QL बोल देते हैं, एंड वर्क प्रोड्यूस कर लेते हैं। अब इसको एफिशिएंसी ऑब्टेन हो जाती है हमको। इट इज हीट इंजन एफिशिएंसी, हीट इंजन कंप्लीटेड। एंड देन आफ्टर वी विल गो, it is also for both reversible and irreversible cycle. This formula is valid for both reversible and irreversible process. This formula is valid for reversible and irreversible both cycle. And this is the heat engine, and then after we will study about refrigerator. Refrigerator. What is refrigerator? Refrigerator is a device. Refrigerator आप अपने घरों पर सभी लोग देखे होंगे। Refrigerator is a device which take the heat from lower temperature body and heat rejected to the higher temperature body to maintain the system's temperature. Are included space temperature. Refrigerator is a device which take heat from lower temperature body or a system and reject to heat to the higher temperature body or to the surrounding to maintain the lower temperature or enclosed space. To maintain the enclosed space or a system. Refrigerator. This is suppose that refrigerator and flow diagram of refrigerator. Here you can note your flow diagram of refrigerator. Flow diagram of refrigerator. Flow diagram of refrigerator. Yes, system or low temperature TL, low temperature body. It is surrounding. High temperature TH, higher temperature. QL low temperature body, QL temperature, or here refrigeration effect. It can also say called refrigeration effect. हम इसको refrigeration effect बोलते हैं। इसको सिस्टम से जो हीट निकालती है उसको रेफ्रिजरेशन इफेक्ट भी बोल देते हैं। यार QH हाई टेम्परेचर बॉडी की जो हीट जहाँ ट्रांसफर हो रही है, QH एंड वर्क कंज्यूमिंग डिवाइस। इट इज वर्क कंज्यूमिंग डिवाइस। Refrigerator is a device which take the heat from lower temperature or systems and reject heat to the surrounding to maintain the lower temperature of the system. To maintain the lower temperature of the system, lower अपने सिस्टम को एयर और बॉडी को कूल रखने के लिए, टेम्परेचर को हीट को कंटिन्यूअसली ट्रांसफर करने के लिए हम वर्क बोलते हैं, वर्क डन ऑन द सिस्टम। रेफ्रिजरेटर रिजेक्ट द हीट टू दी सराउंडिंग को हीट रिजेक्ट करता है। COP, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस। व्हाट इज COP? कोफिशिएंट ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस। Coefficient of performance. What is the refrigerator? COP. Coefficient of performance, the ratio of desired effect to the work input. Desired effect to the work input. COP. Desired effect to work input. Input work or input work or work input. Or input work. Input work. Here W, desired effect. What is desired effect? It is RE, refrigeration effect, or QL, maintain the lower temperature, continuously heat rejected, rejected या absorbed by the system. रेफ्रिजरेटर तो continuously heat absorb किया जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं रेफ्रिजरेशन इफेक्ट। या रेफ्रिजरेशन इफेक्ट RE upon W, work. From first law of thermodynamics, net work equal to net heat. What is first law of thermodynamics? Net work equal to net heat. It means work on the system. From first law of thermodynamics, from first law of thermodynamics, net work equal to net heat, Q net. Energy neither can be created nor can destroy. It can transform one form to another form. Here heat, lower temperature coming, and W heat is on the system, that is negative, and Q coming on the system, QL or refrigeration effect, QL or refrigeration effect, here you can write here. And then after QH heat rejected to the outgoing to the system, minus negative sign. And then you multiply minus negative sign, you will get W is equal to QH minus QL. QH minus QL. QL is it is also refrigeration effect, you can call here. It means QH minus refrigeration effect, you can write here. And then after COP of refrigerator, refrigeration effect upon QH minus QL or QR, any will you can write, or QL upon QH minus QL, you can write, no effect. Then COP of the refrigerator. Again repeat. Refrigerator is a device which take heat from lower temperature or system or low body temperature and heat rejected to the higher body temperature or to the surrounding temperature, and work consuming device. It is work consuming device. And to maintain the lower temperature, refrigerant is continuously taking heat from the lower temperature and rejected to the higher temperature. Refrigerant taking heat या absorbing heat from lower temperature and heat rejected to the higher temperature. heat इससे लेता है और higher temperature को heat reject करता है. रेफ्रिजरेटर इज ए डिवाइस होता है. इस तरह से हम यहाँ पर रेफ्रिजरेटर का हम COP कोफिशिएंट ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस पढ़ लेते हैं. क्या डिजायर्ड इफेक्ट अपन वर्क इनपुट या इनपुट वर्क. डिजायर्ड इफेक्ट मार्क क्या होता है, लोअर टेम्परेचर बॉडी से कितना हीट बार निकलती है, कितना हीट हम निकाल लेते हैं, एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं कितना, उसी बोलते हैं रेफ्रिजरेशन इफेक्ट कितना हमारा होता है. और डिजायर्ड इफेक्ट होता है वर्क इनपुट कितना हम देना पड़ता है, वर्क इनपुट या इनपुट वर्क कितना देना पड़ता है. Here we will see then after first law of thermodynamics we know that W net equal to Q net, and then after put, and then after you will get COP after RA refrigeration effect QH minus QL, yeah, QL minus QL upon QH minus QL you can write here. And this formula is valid for both reversible and irreversible cycle. This formula is valid for this formula is valid for reversible and irreversible cycle दोनों के लिए वैलिड होता है. In this way we have done refrigerator. What is refrigerator? And again we will study what is heat pump. This is what is heat pump? Heat pump. Here heat pump also it should change. Heat pump is a device which take heat from lower temperature body and heat rejected to the higher temperature body. और मेरा डिजायर होता है कि हम हायर टेम्परेचर बॉडी को कितना हीट मिल जाती है and lower temperature body it is surrounding. Lower temperature body TL it is surrounding. It is system. T higher temperature body it is system. Or higher temperature body to maintain the higher temperature body. What is heat pump? Heat pump is a device which take the heat from lower temperature body and heat transfer to the higher temperature body, and my desired effect is at a higher temperature body to maintain the higher temperature body. It is used in the winter. Heat pump is a work consuming device. Heat pump एक work consuming device होती है जो कि लोअर हीट टेम्परेचर से, लोअर बॉडी से, सराउंडिंग से हीट लेती है और हमको हीट हायर टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करने के लिए हीट को ट्रांसफर करती है. It take the heat from lower temperature body and transfer to the heat, reject to the heat higher temperature body. My desired is a higher temperature to maintain the higher temperature body. Heat pump is a device which take the heat from lower temperature body and transfer to the higher temperature body. को heat transfer करती है and work input करना पड़ता है. work consuming device होती है. It is a work consuming device होती है. And COP also here I will have COP, coefficient of performance. It is here I can write here desired effect. Desired effect. Here desired effect to maintain the higher temperature of the system. Here QH upon work input W, or W work input W, and from first law of thermodynamics, from first W net equal to WQ, from first law of thermodynamics dynamic. From first law of thermodynamics, W net is equal to Q net. Heat energy neither can be created nor can be destroyed. It can transform from one form to another form. W net, W on the system, that negative work, and QH heat coming on the system, that is positive heat. QH heat rejected from the system, system. Then it is heat pump. It is coming. This is system. Then it is QH, and then after my negative multiply negative sign, you will get W equal to QH minus QL, and then after you will get right here QH COP, coefficient of performance of heat pump, is equal to QH upon QH minus QL, QH minus QL. Here COP of the heat pump, and then after suppose that you are getting here COP of the heat pump, this QH upon QH upon QH plus QL, and it's also valid. This formula is valid for reversible and irreversible both. It means COP of heat pump and COP of heat refrigerator, and before it you have studied so efficiency of the heat engine, and three formula is valid for both reversible and irreversible cycle. And here we will take another formula. Suppose that COP of the heat pump, QH upon QL, H minus QL, and before it we have studied COP of refrigerator. What is QL? QL lower temperature body, heat to from lower temperature body to maintain, and QH minus QL. And suppose that we are QH, and suppose that in it I am adding on both sides. Suppose that in it adding what refrigerator COP of refrigerator, adding both side one COP of refrigerator plus 1. Here also QL upon QH minus QL plus 1. Then after you will get here QL plus QH minus QL upon QH minus QL, and then after QL will cancel out. Here changing pen, QL and QL cancel out. You will get here QH upon QH upon QH minus QL. This is COP of the heat pump. This is COP of heat pump, and you can write COP of the refrigerator. COP of refrigerator equal to COP of refrigerator plus 1 equal to COP of heat pump. COP of heat pump. This formula is important formula for some numerical problem. This formula is by a numerical problem. And then after, and one formula you have studied for in heat engine, efficiency of heat engine, we have studied before sometime. Efficiency of heat engine, QL 1 minus QL upon QH, and then after here solve minus QH minus QL upon QH, and this is formula of efficiency of the heat engine. This is formula of heat pump. It means reverse of the heat pump. COP of the reverse of the heat pump. It means here COP of reverse of COP of the heat pump. COP of the heat pump. It means 1 upon heat engine efficiency is equal to QH upon QH minus QL, and here you will get COP of the heat pump. COP of heat pump. What is COP of the heat pump? Here you can write here 1 by efficiency of heat engine. here it means you can write here 1 minus efficiency of heat engine. I am writing here COP of refrigerator plus 1 is equal to COP of heat pump is equal to 1 upon efficiency of heat engine. Condition that that is temperature limit should same. Temperature limit should same. QH heat rejected and lower temperature body QL and high temperature body QH should same and work will be same. Then you will get this formula of the refrigerator, heat pump and heat engine. And next topic we will study next class. That is, thank you very much. And every students when see then careful and inform which type of the video like and study. Thank you.